of paramount importance to discover different layers of yourself, because every stage of my life, I've always discovered different things about me. And the thing I'll be told by my sister or my family, hey, when we are doing so. It's very important to discover different layers of yourself because, number one, as a person, you can never be the same in all stages of your life. It's not a consistency thing. It's a change thing. It's a transition thing. When you were a teenager, you were a certain way. You prefer things a certain way. For instance, with myself, I used to despise, and not just despise, but I used to dislike. Yeah, let's say dislike, because despise or hate is a strong word, or these are strong words. I used to dislike ikabish, but now, and as I grew older, I used to love it. I got to love it, and I got to like preparing it a certain way. Number two, transition is quite amazing because uma ngabe ushintsha as mundu, you're also growing, and you need to allow that process of growth. Number three, for me, I kind of like discovered because it's like an onion. You understand? And you're like, oh my God, linje. Every layer is different in size. That was my alarm, sorry. And lokubalekile in all this thing, when you discover layers of yourself as a person, kuba easy to gravitate or attract. For instance, you want to make it in business or life, whatever the case might be, in your area of expertise, msebenzi and whatnot. When you discover certain things about yourself, labanye bantu, for instance, unemployed, and because they're not understanding what's going on. They're frustrated and whatnot. And some people may think, but you're just lazing around. It's because the thoughts or whatever it is that you're thinking, you're in that space of, it's a depressing space, it's a dark space, and it's a certain layer of your life. You are in a certain layer of your life. You need to understand how you react to that situation. There's that person who's about 12 about 12 emini or 1 akananzaba depressed. I'm not working, what's the point? But now that person is different from a person who they're still unemployed, but for some reason, even if they're unemployed, they will take courage bavuke ekseni noma ngo-4 abe productive endlini. When you wake up in the morning, you get a lot of things done. You start realizing that time is money, and time is of essence. You start realizing so many things that, oh my God, I might not be working, but I'm productive. I am not working. And then there's a group of people who bayasebenda, learning, but they're so not satisfied. They're dissatisfied, and something is deteriorating inside of them that they can't even pigeonhole. They can't even figure it out. What is going on with my life? Because so no money in the world and no job in the world will fulfill you or make you satisfied or fulfilled. Fulfillment, to be honest with you, if fulfillment comes from within, it's something that is so innate. No amount of material things and flossing ebanganin bako that will make you feel complete. No amount of tapping, beautiful guesses, beautiful girls behind every week, new girl, this and that, masle queen la vagalago la bonagalago ukuthi vele ngiwo. No amount of that mjolo of ujolo nebandla bahle will make you feel satisfied as a man. No amount of ukudizwa ujolo nemadoda lamaningi lokuthi wena vele uyashisa will make you feel satisfied as a woman. No amount of money, cars, my private jet, anything you can think of will make you feel satisfied as a man. What that will make you feel perhaps is convenience. Because you can afford, you can make things happen, you can give as and when you want. Fulfillment comes from within, and when you deeply feel fulfilled, you won't feel the need to come you won't feel the need to come in order for you to make it. You won't feel the need to be jealous success, because you understand that inside of you, you are innate. Inside of you, you are complete. Inside of you, you are fulfilled. You are fulfilled, and you are overpouring with fulfillment. So even if you're not working, even if do things differently. You might not have that job, but attract it and transform whatever it is everything else you will see, it will fall into place, because the energy nale aura uyova nje noma ungena awusinzi lapho ngebandayo ukuthi kumbe bathwele kumbe njani laba abantu bayasinza ngenxa yokuthi they are being their state basenza, you give whatever, you affirming whatever space lokuzo. I'm not saying don't acknowledge that you're not in a good space, but don't affirm it. Don't give it power. Let me not carry on. Let me not carry on. Let me stop here for now. But that's just it. There's literally a difference between business and productivity, between being busy and being productive. You can work, marunga be productive. You can go to work, marunga be productive. You can do so many things. Mara productive or fruitful. Have a great Tuesday. 12 to 3 with Sweet Mike and myself, Kibiga Nati. It's an amazing program filled with so much great content. First hour, we literally unpack the idea of the day. We literally unpack like our beautiful chit chat where we will engage with you as a listener via voice notes and phone calls. Second hour, there's a listener's choice where you send an email to singwane.m at sapc.coza or sindana@sapc.coza. Then the last hour is where we talk about everything COVID-19 related. Cheers.